Welcome to 332 Cumberland Cove, located in the Wolf Ranch neighborhood of Georgetown. Now, a couple of things you're going to notice right off the bat. Number one, we are in a cul-de-sac, and number two, there is an expansive driveway, perfect for learning how to ride a bike, playing pickleball, or, cornhole, any fun game. There's plenty of parking here. So let's take a look at this house, and I'm going to tell you some of the other fabulous things about this house and this greenbelt lot. So let's check it out. With both an office and a guest bedroom and ensuite bath at the front of the home, this is perfect for a little separation in living and in work. And then of course you notice these very high ceilings and a spiral staircase for luxury. Throughout the home, you're gonna notice little nooks, perfect for the art lover or someone who has a lot of photos that they want to share with their guests. So come take a look at this gorgeous living room with a fireplace, the open floor plan, and of course, this great kitchen. Now this kitchen overlooks the living room and the dining room, and here are some really cool features about this. There is granite on this oversized island with a Blanco sink, but then the surrounding countertops are quartz. You'll also notice that it's white cabinetry with pools for hardware, stainless steel appliances. There is a marble printed tile backsplash, and of course you've got your gas cooktop. Now, some other really cool things is you not only have a dining room that has this gorgeous view that we're gonna check out in a second, but you also have this extra bonus room here. This could be perfect for a second office, for a playroom so that kids could play while you're making dinner, or for just another TV room, sunroom, reading room, library, whatever your heart desires, and it's right here in the heart of the home. Now, we can't go any further without taking a look at this amazing lot. This home sits on 0.38 acres, and you will notice that it has a greenbelt lot to the back, and there is a ranch to the right, which means you only have one neighbor who is offset from your home. So this is a very, very private backyard with great mature trees and a view. Okay, now let's check out the primary room, the primary bedroom, which is tucked on the side and in the back of the house for additional privacy. As you enter the primary bedroom, you'll notice a couple things. There's a tray ceiling, and then also the plantation shutters that are in most of the rooms in the home. And then you have this gorgeous ledge right there, and of course, a view of the greenbelt. But check out this bathroom. So featuring granite countertops, a great soaking tub, and an extended shower with mud set floor and floor to ceiling tile. And then of course, remember how I told you about all those nooks? Look straight up to that vaulted ceiling and you have another fun nook. Now there's a beautiful walk-in closet, plenty of space for all of your stuff, but let's go check out upstairs. Now upstairs features a flex space, which is again perfect for a playroom, a gym, another living room, whatever you would like. And then there are two very spacious bedrooms and a bathroom that connects to one of the bedrooms and then the hallway. Check them out. If you've been looking for a phenomenal neighborhood with a great location and of course amenities that are state of the art with a splash pad, a infinity pool, a den, it's gorgeous, and you want an exquisite home with some unique features, this one is it. I have never seen a driveway like that one, and this view is spectacular. So if you'd like to schedule a private showing, feel free to call my team, and one of us at T. Kerr Property Group would be happy to show you.